everyone, welcome back to Genomic Genesis. Hope you all are doing well. Today, I'll be discussing with you few diagram-based questions related to your first chapter, that is, diversity in the living world. These questions are important for your exams as well as this will help you in clearing your concepts more easily. But before I get started, I'll be suggesting you all to sit with a notebook and a pen and note down all these questions. So, without any further delay, let's get started. The first question is, the diagram shows a taxonomic hierarchy. Identify and label each of the parts, and also mention which is the most inclusive and the most specific category. You can comment down your answers below and let me know. The second question is, the diagram shows a flowchart of the taxonomic categories of a housefly. Identify and label each of the parts and also mention the scientific name of the housefly and which category does Insecta belong to. The third question is, the diagram shows a flowchart of taxonomic hierarchy for lion, that is, Panthera leo. Identify and label each of the parts. Also mention the scientific name of lion. And also mention which category does Felidae belong to. The fourth and the last question of today is, the diagram shows a herbarium sheet. Identify and label the four parts. What is the purpose of a herbarium sheet and what information is usually written on a herbarium sheet? You can comment down the answers of all these four questions in the comment box below, and I will be discussing each of the answers of these four questions in my next class with a clear explanation. Thank you all for listening. If you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Genomic Genesis, for such interesting videos.